Come check out my new video of this house in RiverSea, 169 Shadowwood Court. This house is a new construction house by K&K Construction. It was just reduced to $599. It is my absolute favorite floor plan. Let's go check it out. This is a new construction, ready to move in home. It is 3 bedrooms, a 3 bath, a 2,500 square feet. Wait until you see the garage. It is a little over 1/4 acre. It is located in RiverSea Plantation, which is in Bolivia, North Carolina. RiverSea offers tons of amenities. You have indoor pool, outdoor pool. There are walking trails. You have access to the Lockwood Folly River. There's a boat storage. There is boat launch. You are located minutes from Oak Island, minutes from Holden. It's a great house. Look at this foyer as you walk in. It has got this board and batten. It is spacious. I absolutely love this floor plan. As you walk in, to the left you have 2 bedrooms, and then the right you have access to the garage or upstairs. And then check out this living room. Tray ceilings with the little light. I love that touch. There is a fireplace. You have LVP flooring. This is an open concept, but it has designated areas. So here is the living room area. Then you have this kitchen, dining, and you have this extra area right here, which you could do whatever you wanted. This dining room has wonderful windows with fantastic lighting. This space right here, you could have a reading nook, you could have a breakfast nook. There are so many possibilities. This kitchen is gorgeous, you guys. There is plenty of storage. There is a pot filler. There is under cabinet lighting, which just makes this kitchen glow. The gas range. I love the hood too. I love when there's not a microwave right in your face. It is beautiful. Can't you imagine cooking your dinners here? Here is the space that I love that you could do breakfast nook. And you can hang out with the family. I can just see having a Christmas here. This is the pantry. There are not shelves yet. And then out here, the screened-in porch is one of my favorite aspects. Check out this ceiling, you guys. Oh, it's gorgeous. This backs up to a wooded area, which is one of my favorite things about RiverSea, is that it is a tree-lined community, and they keep their trees. So this back here is a designated green space, tree space. Let's go check out the owner's suite. It has the beautiful tray ceiling with the little extra light touch. It also has wonderful natural lighting in here. You have the crown molding, the big baseboards. And you guys, this primary bathroom has marble floor and shower. Also, it has a bathtub. I know some people go back and forth about if you want a bathtub in your primary or not, but I am a bathtub girl and I love it. Here is your walk-in shower with a marble tile. There's also a no glass to keep clean. is a great size. The little nook is on the inside, so you cannot see your bottles of shampoo from the outside of the shower, which is another little extra touch that K&K did. Here is the walk-in closet. It does have the LVP flooring in here. The bathroom does have a water closet. Hey! Back to the foyer. Over here to the left when you enter are the 2 bedrooms and bathroom. Look at that large mirror. I love that in this second bath. You don't get that everywhere. That is great. And then back here you have the 2 guest bedrooms. So the laundry. And then upstairs you have this fantastic bonus room. What's nice about this floor plan is that the bathroom is located outside of this room. So this door could be closed and you could still access the bathroom up here. This is a great space. What would you use this space for? Here's the bathroom. And then wait until you see this other bonus that K&K has put into this house. This is conditioned storage, you guys. And it is a great size. You can roll your Christmas tree in here. It's not in this video, but this floor plan has the best garage. It's 2-car garage and then has this extra space. If you want to go see it, call me, 910-712-4747.